AI is no longer just a chatbot on your screen. In 2026, artificial intelligence has been packed into actual physical gadgets that you can buy right now, and some of them honestly feel like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome back to Best Gear. Today, I went digging through the craziest new tech releases to bring you the top 10 best AI gadgets of 2026. From an AI brain that remembers everything for you, to a literal exoskeleton that gives you superhuman strength, let's get into the countdown. Kicking off at number 10 is the OIKKEI AI Voice Mouse. Instead of typing prompts into ChatGPT, this mouse has a dedicated AI button. You just hold it down, speak your commands, and it instantly generates text, translates emails, or summarizes documents right on your screen. At number 9, we have the NEWYES AI Pen. If you still love taking physical handwritten notes, this pen tracks your exact strokes on paper and instantly digitizes them into your phone. It uses AI to turn your messy handwriting into clean, editable text, and can even summarize your entire lecture or meeting into bullet points in seconds. At number 8 is the Mobvoi TicNote. It looks like a simple voice recorder, but it's actually a pocket-sized AI assistant. You set it on the table during a meeting, and it provides real-time transcriptions, highlights key action items, and instantly generates a mind map of everything discussed. Pair that with number 7, the iFLYTEK P1. If you travel, this AI pocket translator is a lifesaver. It supports real-time, offline, two-way translation in over 60 languages. You just point it, speak, and the AI instantly bridges the language barrier with perfect pronunciation. Number 6 is for the creators, the VibeLens MusicCam Pro. This AI-powered camera acts as your personal cameraman. It tracks your face, automatically adjusts the framing, and uses AI to sync your video cuts perfectly to the beat of your music. But number 5 might be the cutest tech of the year, the Casio Moflin. This isn't just a toy, it is an emotional AI robotic pet. It learns from how you interact with it and develops its own unique personality over time. It makes happy sounds when you hold it and can actually help reduce stress and anxiety while you work at your desk. Breaking into the top 4 is the RingConn Gen 2 Air. Smart rings are huge right now, and this is the lightest one on the market. It uses advanced AI algorithms to track your sleep stages, heart rate, and stress levels 24/7 with massive battery life. Number 3 takes wearables to the next level with the MemoMind One. This is a wearable AI brain. You clip it to your shirt, and it securely records and analyzes your day. If you forget what your boss told you 3 hours ago, you just ask the companion app, and the AI will pull up the exact quote. It gives you a perfect memory. At number 2 is the NeoSapien Neo one. This is the next evolution of home AI. It's a dedicated physical hardware assistant that uses advanced spatial awareness to interact with your smart home, answer complex questions, and act as the true brain of your house. But coming in at number 1 is the Hypershell X Pro S. Yes, you can now buy a literal AI exoskeleton. You strap this onto your legs and the onboard AI calculates your movements 10,000 times per minute to provide robotic motor assistance. Whether you are hiking up a steep mountain or just want to run without getting tired, it offsets your body weight and gives you superhuman endurance. It is the craziest piece of consumer tech in 2026. From a robotic pet to an AI exoskeleton, the future is officially here. Which one of these 10 AI gadgets would you actually use? Let me know down in the comments. I have linked all the best current prices for these on my Amazon storefront in the pinned comment below, so definitely check that out and make sure to subscribe to Best Gear for more crazy tech countdowns.